We will still all the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute. Get all those gliders ready to attack today.
And today on Have a Knife Day, we have a project. Now this is the Medford Fighter. Now Greg Medford was in the Marine Corps. I myself was in the Army, and one of the things I like to do is support my brothers from other branches of service. And I already have a video of the Medford Fighter listed, and I'll have a link in the descriptions. Now, Greg is known for making super tough, overbuilt knives, and this is no exception. And recently I had done a K-bar slabby video where I replaced the factory slabs for slabs I purchased from Carroll's Custom Knife Skills, and I love them, and they're fantastic. And as I was checking out their website, I found these. And these are super grippy, feel great in the hand, the whole 9 yards. So I thought to myself, well, why don't I put some new slabs on my Medford Fighter? And the funny thing is, I'll pull this out for you. This is also the only USMC branded knife I own. I had another one, but I gave it for a raffle for the Marine Corps birthday to the VFW, my local VFW. And in fact, this aftermarket sheath is made by my friend and fellow Army veteran, Micah from Black Bear Custom Kydex. Fantastic job. So what we're going to be doing is changing these slabs out for these slabs. So I went over to my Leatherman's tools, and these are T10 Torx. And, now these do have some Loctite on them. So you're going to it might be a little challenging. But you're going to hold one side and unscrew the other. And remember, this one goes towards the blade. This one is in the middle. Now the scales from Carroll's does not come with hardware, so you're going to be utilizing the hardware that is already on your knife. And then we have this one here. Oh, please do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so this is what the Medford Fighter looks like without its scale on. Full tang. It's a beast of a knife. I mean, you can really appreciate it coming from Greg. Having served in the military myself, he definitely brings an insight on what he wanted when he was in, and it is reflected in the design of this knife. Okay, you can see the tubes. These are the threaded tubes. These do not pop out, so you're going to pull out the other side. All right, we'll pop that one out. That one goes in the middle. This one goes close to the blade. And of course, this one is towards the pommel. There you go. I'm going to pop out this other one and set it over here. So there it is. The tubes can come out now, just like that. There you go. So you're going to want to hold them or put them somewhere safe. It's not about you. I have, on several occasions, taken things apart, gotten things jammed, there you go, thanks, and had to go hunting for them on the floor. And I would really hope that you don't have to learn that hard life lesson. Now, if you hate yourself, Lord knows I've hated myself on the occasion, you will use red Loctite. But we're good. We love ourselves. We're going to be using just a little dab of blue Loctite. Put that there. one on each side. Little dab will do you. Had to go over to my truck and pull out my coveted supply of blue Loctite. I work on machinery for a living, so I do my best to always have some on hand. I do have red, but I'm going to keep it away from this because you never know. Okay. So now we're going to take this, put it here, take this one here, pop it down. We're going to support it here. You can see that on the other side. Oops, wrong one. Screw that in. Screw this in here. And screw this in there. So I will be putting links in the descriptions to everything you see here, to include the previous video of this knife. Oh, oop, see, there, the darn thing fell right out. Put it back over here. I'll screw this a little bit. There we go. Hey, look, I do my own stunts. Here you go. Take this other side. Put that right there. Towards the blade. In the middle, and towards the pommel. It's not easy having sausage fingers, but I seem to muddle through. There you go. Now I'll take my other Torx, come on to the other side, and just snug them down. That's right. Happy little knives with new slabs. There we go. Nice and secure. And there you go. That's really cool. That's a handful. Yes, indeed. So there you go. Now, I took the liberty of bringing a scale out a little while ago. Now, with the factory scales in my aftermarket sheath, that is 1 pound, 10.2 ounces with the sheath, 1.2 ounces with no sheath. The aftermarket Carroll's custom scales, 1 pound, 1.1 ounce, no sheath, and 1.9.2 ounces with the sheath. So it does make it just a little bit lighter. Now, as we go over to the Carroll's Custom Knife Scales website, this does go for $65. The material is canvas micarta. This is for the Medford Fighter. Fits factory hardware, not included, designed to fit factory sheath, handmade in Elwood, Nebraska. If there's any problem, I've got you covered, knife not included. And they actually have quite a few different manufacturers. They make scales for those too. Slabs, whatever you want to call them. And there you go. And then we'll put it back into the aftermarket sheath. It comes with a really nice leather sheath. And I'll let you look at that other official video for it. But here is my Kydex. This is more my carry style. And I also have this, which exposes the edge of the blade. You could use it to cut paracord. And then when you're done, you close it up and it keeps dirt out. There you go. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Another project Still have all my fingers. My hands look like this from the beginning. Sorry, kids. Daddy works a hard manual labor job. So if you have any questions, please do look at the descriptions. All relevant links. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. And as always, have a nice day.
Fight, we will. And parachute all the guns of the forest. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Getting the glow. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute, get all those gliders ready to attack today.